Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit on Buff163. First, you will need to understand the various deposit methods available. It is crucial to ensure your Steam account meets all trading requirements, such as having Steam Guard enabled for at least 15 days. Then, simply navigate to the deposit section on the Buff163 platform to begin your transaction. This initial preparation saves time and prevents common issues. Next, you will select your preferred deposit method. Buff163 typically offers several options, including bank transfers, e-wallets, and sometimes cryptocurrency. Be sure to review any associated transaction fees, which can vary, and note the estimated processing times. Carefully input the exact amount you wish to deposit, ensuring it meets any minimum or maximum limits. Double-checking these details is a vital step. Now it is time to finalize your deposit. Follow the specific on-screen instructions provided for your chosen payment method. This might involve scanning a QR code or entering payment details into a secure portal. Always confirm all transaction details, including the amount and recipient, before authorizing the payment. Once confirmed, patiently wait for the deposit to process, which usually takes a few minutes to several hours, depending on the method. After completing your deposit, the first step is to verify that your Buff163 balance has been updated correctly. If you encounter any issues, such as a delayed or missing deposit, do not hesitate to contact Buff163 customer support immediately. They can provide assistance and track your transaction. Familiarize yourself with common deposit problems and their solutions to ensure a smooth experience on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.